teacher and my dear friends. Good morning to all. My name is Anavram Sri. I am studying in 12th section in MJPTB Boys School in Davnapalam. Subhash Chandra was born in 1897. He was attempted to admitted to a big European school in 1902. He was shifted to another school in 1909. He came under informed influence somewhere in 1912. He left to Cambridge Indian Civil Service examination in 1919. He was formed with INA Indian National Army in Singapore 1941. Azad Hind government was set up a foreign soil in 1943. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Anila.